Welcome. In this video I will show you how you can install and use Fennec Wallet. Fennec is a new coin and they have own wallet, so I will show you how you can install and use this wallet. On the Fennec website, in the section Wallet, you can download wallets for Windows, for macOS and for Linux. Or you can download from their GitHub page. It's the same download, so here it is. It's for Windows, for Mac and for Linux. I will download Windows setup. When your download is finished, go to your downloads folder and extract zip file. Open the folder you've just extracted and open this setup exe and follow the desktop instruction. On this screen, click next, again next and install. When it's finished, click next and check this box, run Fennec, and click on finish. Allow access to the network and wallet, it will be started. If you had trouble with syncing with network of Fennec, you need to add nodes to your configuration file. So go to their blockchain explorer and in this section network you will find connection and add nodes. Click on this add nodes and you need to add these nodes to your configuration file, or on the GitHub page you have this add nodes and you need to add this to your configuration file. Open your wallet. In the section settings you have options. Click on these options and it will open this window. You have here open configuration file. Click on this button, click OK, and it will open configuration file. You need to add manually nodes. In this section add nodes, here you need manually to add if you don't have this or you have trouble with syncing. From the Fennec blockchain explorer, add all these nodes just by copying and pasting in your configuration file. And after you've add these nodes, click on save and restart the wallet. Now you need to restart your wallet. Close the wallet and open again. When your wallet will be restarted, it should be syncing with the network without problems. In the wallet you have a couple of options like send, receive and transaction. On the send button you can send funds from your wallet to other user or to some exchange. On the receive button you can get payments. If you don't have any address, click on create new address and it will create a new address for Fennec. In the transaction section you have history of your transaction of the Fennec coins. On this button here window you can see your sending addresses where you are sending some coins or your receiving addresses. If you are click on this, it will open all your receiving addresses you've created for this wallet. This was a quick tutorial on how you can install and use Fennec Wallet. For more videos like this, please go to my channel and subscribe. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Bye bye.